Yes, yes. What up, YouTube? Another day, another video. We have another unboxing today. I'm pretty sure this is my track meet low. It's gotta be. Started an official Ralph Lauren box. I got this off of eBay. So let's see what we got here together. It's gonna be a surprise. You know, eBay, sometimes you get surprises. All right. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so far so good. Let's check that size. Bam, right size. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Jeez. Okay. Oh man. Very dope. Very dope. This reminds me of my Wimbledon low. It's got the white and then it's got the dope print. Oh man, look at that. Look at that 3D effect. That's dope. So everything is printed. None of this is stitched on. Oh, you got a horse hiding in there. That's dope. I didn't see that. Once again, we have a custom slim fit. It's got that mesh feel to it. Yeah. Very nice. Not the highest quality, but with the mesh lows, you're going more for the design. Really stupid fresh shit. And then with the super duper butter soft polos, those usually come with just the basics, you know, just the plain bright colors or simple colors with your little horse. And then you get that nice butter soft cotton. But usually with all of this fancy stuff with the designs, you usually get this mesh, which is cool, lightweight, breathable. Bang, in your face. So I got nothing. This is my only piece in this collection, so I gotta work on it. I got a bucket hat and a pair of shorts I got my eyes on. It's gonna be probably a week or so before I pick one of those up or both of those up. I got an outfit of the day for my Kicker Bear low. Check that video out. I unboxed that yesterday. So yeah, I got a Kicker Bear outfit I gotta give y'all. I still haven't figured out what I'm gonna do, but yeah, I'll just pull the pieces out tomorrow and throw something together. But yeah, this is my track meet low. I'm gonna build an outfit for this, and I will have y'all see what I pick up as I go along the way. All right, see y'all tomorrow with another video. Peace.